Welcome back, lovely people. This is SassyHilda again. Today I'm back with another interesting tutorial, and here it's gonna be about a flower vase. I made this flower vase out of a spoon and I sprayed it with gold, and it looked so lovely with a flower in it. So this is what I'll be doing today. I would like you to also comment when you watch the videos, because this will make me know what I'm doing well and what I'm not doing well. That will make me improve. And those who haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. This is very interesting. There are a lot of things coming up and I wouldn't want you to miss it, so I want you to subscribe. Click that button, subscribe. You keep watching all my videos, and I would like you to stay tuned to watch this tutorial because it's really interesting and I'm so excited to start doing it. So let's hit the camera and let's hit the materials. So this vase used to look like this before I turned it into this beautiful vase. I'm going to be using this one to make the flower vase. So this is a spoon that we're going to be using, and all I have to do to make it look like this, I will have to cut it. Then we have this. I'll be needing a scissors, a glue stick, a glue gun, and a flower. So we'll have to put the glue around the spoon. And hold it a little bit firm. So I've done the first part, and the spoon needs to go around the vase. And the next step that I'll be doing, I'll be placing it in between two spoons, so it will stay on the side of the spoon. So I've practically gone around the spoons and I've done 2 levels already. So I will continue the same process by going around until I get to the bottom. So we're going to take it out to spray it now, so it will look like this. Come along with me, let's go spray it. So tell me, what did you think about this tutorial? Was it interesting? Was it not interesting? Was it difficult? Was it not difficult? Please, I would like you to put all the questions in the question box and I will be replying you. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was useful to you. Thank you so much for staying and watching this tutorial. I love you all and thank you so much. Bye.